Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the tiny but mighty world of chia seeds. These little superstars may be small, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. If you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your wellness, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite smoothie or snack, sit back, and let's explore the amazing benefits of eating chia seeds. Let's kick things off with a closer look at what makes chia seeds so special. Despite their tiny size, these seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll find in just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You'll find a whopping 11 grams of fiber. That's nearly half of your daily recommended intake. 4 grams of protein, making it a great plant-based protein source. Almost 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for your heart and brain health. Calcium, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are essential for bone health and overall bodily functions. Antioxidants. These combat harmful free radicals in your body. With all these nutrients packed into such a small package, it's no wonder chia seeds are considered a superfood. One of the standout benefits of chia seeds is their ability to improve digestive health. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds can help keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. Soluble fiber, in particular, absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, which helps soften stools and prevent constipation. But that's not all. Fiber also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. A happy gut means better digestion, improved immune function, and even a better mood. So, sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or add them to your smoothies to give your digestive system a friendly boost. Next up, let's talk about heart health. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are known for their heart protective properties, including reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and decreasing the risk of heart disease. Several studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can lead to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for heart health. So incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a simple and tasty way to show your heart some love. If you're looking to manage your weight, chia seeds might become your new best friend. These seeds are incredibly filling due to their high fiber and protein content. When you eat chia seeds, they expand in your stomach, absorbing liquid and creating a feeling of fullness. This can help curb your appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Plus, chia seeds are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. You can add them to your meals or snacks to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Did you know that chia seeds are also great for your bones? They are packed with several key nutrients that are essential for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. In fact, just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 18% of your daily calcium needs. This makes chia seeds an excellent choice for those who don't consume dairy products or are looking for plant-based sources of calcium. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you're helping to maintain strong and healthy bones. Looking for a natural energy boost? Chia seeds have got you covered. These seeds were used by ancient Aztec warriors as a source of energy and endurance, and for good reason. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber provides a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled and focused throughout the day. Chia seeds are also great for athletes and anyone with an active lifestyle. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and keeping you performing at your best. Try adding chia seeds to your pre- or post-workout snacks for an extra energy boost. One of the best things about chia seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your diet. They have a mild, nutty flavor that blends well with almost anything. Here are a few fun and simple ways to enjoy chia seeds. Chia pudding: mix chia seeds with your favorite milk or plant-based milk, add a touch of sweetener, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious pudding that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. They blend in seamlessly and add a nice texture. Baking. You can add chia seeds to your baked goods like muffins, bread, and cookies for an extra dose of fiber and nutrients. Salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of your salads for a crunchy texture and added health benefits. Yogurt. Stir chia seeds into your yogurt for a filling and nutritious snack. Did you know that chia seeds can also help with hydration? When mixed with water, they absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. This not only helps keep you hydrated, but also slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy. A popular way to enjoy chia seeds for hydration is by making chia fresca, a traditional Mexican drink. Simply mix chia seeds with water, a squeeze of lime, and a touch of sweetener, and you've got a refreshing and hydrating beverage. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Their neutral flavor means they can be added to both sweet and savory recipes. Here are a few creative ideas. Jam. Make a quick and healthy jam by mixing chia seeds with mashed fruit. The seeds will thicken the fruit mixture, creating a delicious spread without the need for added sugar or pectin. Egg substitute. For those who follow a vegan diet or have an egg allergy, chia seeds can be used as an egg substitute in baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel. This can replace 1 egg in most recipes. Soups and sauces. Thicken soups and sauces by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. They'll add a nutritional boost while helping to create a creamy texture. And there you have it! The amazing benefits of eating chia seeds! These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits, from boosting digestion and heart health to helping with weight management and providing a natural energy boost. Plus, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. So what are you waiting for? Start adding chia seeds to your meals and snacks today and enjoy all the incredible health benefits they have to offer. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of chia seeds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos.